Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Matt Beitschel. Let's take a look at your current conditions right now. Temperatures in the low 80s. Definitely a warm start to your Wednesday morning, and the humidity is not too bad. It's coming, winds coming from the east, definitely making things a little bit less humid, so it's a little more comfortable. Those clouds that you see to our south, they are part of this storm system right here, this stationary front, which will stay to our south. It will not bring us any rain, anything to do today. High pressure is in control, bringing us a gorgeous day. 92 degrees, mostly sunny skies, hot and humid. It's still going to be humid today, unfortunately, but not as humid as it was yesterday. So a nice day to get to the pool or the beach. The humidity will start to build tonight, 75 degrees, mostly clear skies, no storms planned for today. On the almanac, today's high of 92 degrees, or the projected high, will not reach will not come down to the 84 that we are normally expecting this time of year, and nor will it come up to the 98 that we've hit back in the 1960s. Coming up later in the forecast, we're going to talk about the heat wave and how long that heat wave is going to last, as well as the storms expected for this weekend. Definitely a beautiful start to our Wednesday morning as we look outside. This was taken just at sunrise. These clouds, these beautiful low to mid-level clouds. That was brought to us by our own Lisa LaRocca and News 12 Westchester. Thank you, Lisa. For today, mostly sunny skies, hot and humid again. Unfortunately, the heat wave continues. We're in day 7, and it's looking like it's going to end soon. We'll talk about that soon. But today, not as humid as it was yesterday, so it's actually a pretty nice day to get out to the beach and enjoy the day. As you take a look at the outlook towards our weekend, Thursday looking pretty nice. 91 degrees, then we start to get bad. Humidity rises, the temperature drops, and that means a risk of showers and thunderstorms, and it's pretty much going to be a wash for Friday. We'll talk about that in just a second. The Sand and Sound, there are no advisories for today. That UV index at a 9 means you have to wear sunscreen if you're going to be out for more than a few minutes. The waves are pretty low, the water is pretty warm. That spells a beautiful beach day, so definitely get out to the South Shore and enjoy all the beautiful weather that we are going to be experiencing today and even into tomorrow. We fast forward Futurecast into Friday morning. That's when the thunderstorms will start to move through the South Shore of Long Island. They will stay to our south, but the more durational, sustained rain will be coming into our area around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock on Friday, and will stay there for the rest of the day, unfortunately, and even into Saturday. Futurecast doesn't really forecast that far in advance, but Saturday is expecting more rain in the area. On the rainfall total, this is the same technology, so again, does not factor in Saturday afternoon. 1 to 1.5 inches of rain will be falling throughout Westchester. I'm expecting around 2.5 inches of rain when all is said and done on Saturday. Coming up, we'll take a look at when the heat wave will finally come to an end, as well as your 7-day outlook. If you plan on heading to the beach this week, make it today. There's going to be a pretty nice one out there. Even though I said it's humid, it's not as humid as it was yesterday. Mostly sunny skies with a high of 92 degrees. Definitely a nice day to head to the waters. We see on the heat index map that these temperatures really don't stray that much from the actual temperatures that we're recording. So the humidity is not as much of a factor as it was yesterday or the day before that or the day before that, when we were in the midst of our oppressive heat wave. And speaking of that, it's almost over, folks. We take a look at the 7-day outlook with the weekend always in view. Thursday, 91. That is the last day of it. Friday and Saturday, we cool down. That's really because of the cloud cover, because a very large storm system will be moving in, drowning us in rain. We need it. We're in the midst of a drought, so we do need all this rain, all we can get. 2 to 3 inches expected. Pretty much a wash, unfortunately, Friday and Saturday. Sunday even is a risk for thunderstorms with a high of 82 degrees. As we start our next work week, temperatures will cool down and we will dry out. But as we head to the end of it, we're expecting maybe even 90 degrees once again.